But I really wish somebody would have said this about me though, you know. But me never give them cause. Maybe me never silent enough. But a nice little Jamaican proverb that them would say about people. Silent river run deep. In other words, never underestimate a person who is quiet. So you see like a nice, quiet, seemingly shy girl, a guy might say, silent river run deep. And the same thing will be true for a guy too, who they seem quiet, but then you never know what is underneath all that. Silent river run deep for true.